Want to change your country on Instagram? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update your Instagram profile location on both iPhone and Android. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now, tap the menu icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tools. To add a country or business location on Instagram, you'll first need to switch your account to a professional account. Tap Switch to Professional Account and continue through the setup. Here's the important part. When Instagram asks whether you want a creator or business account, make sure to select Business Account. You can choose any category you want. It doesn't need to be a real business. After the setup is complete, go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Now select Contact Options or Business Address, depending on your Instagram version. From here, enter your city, country, or business address that you want displayed on your Instagram profile. Once done, tap Done, and then tap Save. After that, tap on Profile Display, and make sure Display Contact Info is turned on, so the location actually appears on your Instagram profile page. Now, refresh your profile, and you should see your new country or location displayed successfully on Instagram. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.